Okay, now I will show you how to change air filter. There are 4 screws. I will unscrew them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After you unscrew them, then you must take this away, right here. Then pull this out. Just a one tip, there is a sensor, you must away. Okay. A little unboxing video. Here is the brand new filter, and we must insert it properly. It works fine. And then assemble this cover. Don't forget to plug sensor back. Okay, hold on. That's it. Because of the poor sound quality, I will continue this way. So I continue with the oil change of filters and oil in my Ford Transit 2005 TDDI, 75 horsepower. It has a total 2060,000 kilometers and it is running smoothly as the first day. On my right there is a new original Ford oil and Bosch oil filter, so let's go under the car. First we will need to enter below the car. This is one pretty fucking shitty place to be. Okay. It's really tight. This isn't my first time. Oil filter is located up there, here. And we will unscrew it right now. Ugh, fucking hate Ford. Fucking fuck. My god. Ugh. Yeah. Fuck this shit. Ugh. we will need this. You will see why. You will be surprised. No filter. Rings are there. We will take a few drops of oil and lubricate this. We can take it from. Everything is sterile. Okay. Now we must screw it back. Fucking shit. Can't see anything. Oil is dropping in my head. Okay. Okay. Now we need that magnet. We need it because we have something in there. Oh my god. Oh, perfect. Ring is good. Yes, it is. Now we must clean this. Oh, okay. Now let's tighten this up. And clean this mess. After cleaning the gaskets and bottom of engine, we are going up and starting to fill oil. In this engine it goes around 6 liters of oil, and we will proceed with that. Five liters. Okay, now I will check oil engine level with this dipstick located right here, and we need to add some more oil. For that I will use this 1 liter what I buy separately. Now let's check. You can see it, but it is on max, and that is okay. I forgot the key. Oil pressure light will come on, then after a few seconds it will turn off. That is indicator that the oil pressure is good. You can leave it for idling about 30 seconds. Okay, and check oil level again. Now we can close the hood. Like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.